This is Chapter 1, Lesson 3, Developing Cultures. Once again, make sure you have written down your vocabulary words first before you begin this lesson, and take notes on each slide. So, cultures often developed based on the resources around them. So, for example, a culture living in the desert relied on plant stems or fibers to make twine, nets, baskets, sandals, and animal traps. But a culture living near mountains used rocks to make tools and weapons. So, depending on where you live, you developed different resources around you. You used what you had around you. If you lived near the ocean, you would eat fish. If you lived in the mountains, you would find animals. Prehistoric cave paintings can be found mostly in northern Spain and southern France. The Lascaux caves in southern France, cave art from 17,000 years ago, is protected deep in the ground from damp climate. The paintings, drawings, and engravings on these cave walls and ceilings provide a valuable view of the prehistoric world. The cave paintings by prehistoric people provide a lot of information about their culture, and the cave art is usually very well preserved because it was in a cave, so it was protected from the weather and sunlight and different things like this. And artifacts that tell us the most about prehistoric cultures are usually prehistoric art. And so these cave paintings, which here are a few examples of them, are some of the paintings they saw in these Lascaux caves. So you can see different animals they had. If you're interested in this, go ahead and check out the Lascaux Cave station where you'll get to take a virtual tour of these. But these are some of the cave paintings that we use today to kind of distinguish what their life was like back then, what they looked like, what animals were around. Now, once you're done taking your notes, please read it. Lesson 2. Lesson 3. Do the lesson 3 review. Check your answers before taking your quiz.